Want to speak English easily? Let's learn step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Grandma. Today, we are going to learn different types of cats. Watch carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. This is an Abyssinian cat. It is very active. Repeat after me, Abyssinian cat. This is an American Shorthair. It is very friendly. Repeat after me, American Shorthair. This is a Bengal cat. It looks like a leopard. Repeat after me, Bengal cat. This is a Persian cat. It has blue eyes. Repeat after me, Persian cat. This is a British Shorthair. It has a round face. Repeat after me, British Shorthair. This is the Cornish Rex. It has curly fur. Repeat after me, Cornish Rex. This is a Devon Rex. It has curly fur. Repeat after me, Devon Rex. This is a Himalayan cat. It has long fur. Repeat after me, Himalayan cat. This is a Maine Coon. It is very big. Repeat after me, Maine Coon. This is a Munchkin cat. It has short legs. Repeat after me, Munchkin cat. This is a Norwegian forest cat. It has thick fur. Repeat after me, Norwegian forest cat. This is an Oriental Shorthair. It has big ears. Repeat after me, Oriental Shorthair. This is a Persian cat. It has long hair. Repeat after me, Persian cat. This is a ragdoll cat. It is very soft. Repeat after me, ragdoll cat. This is a Russian blue. It has green eyes. Repeat after me, Russian blue. This is a Savannah cat. It looks like a wild cat. Repeat after me, Savannah cat. This is a Scottish Fold. It has full good ears. Repeat after me, Scottish Fold. This is a Siamese Cat. It has blue eyes. Repeat after me, Siamese Cat. This is a Sphinx cat. It has no fur. Repeat after me, Sphinx cat. This is a Turkish Angora. It has long fur. Repeat after me, Turkish Angora. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.